Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Prius interior lights. First, gather your essential tools like a plastic trim removal tool and the new LED bulbs you plan to install. It's important to know which lights you're replacing, so check your owner's manual for bulb types. Always make sure your vehicle's power is off to prevent any electrical issues during the process. For the front dome and map lights, begin by gently prying off the clear lens cover. A plastic trim tool works best to avoid scratches. Once open, carefully remove the old bulb. These can sometimes be hot, so be cautious. Insert your new LED bulb, making sure it's oriented correctly for it to light up. Finally, snap the lens cover back into its original position. Next, let's tackle the rear dome and trunk lights. Find the light housings and use your trim tool to carefully pry off their covers. These covers often have clips that release with gentle pressure. Remove the old bulbs and insert your new LED replacements. Remember to test them before fully reassembling. Once confirmed, securely snap the light covers back into place. After installing each new LED bulb, it's crucial to test it right away to confirm it works. If a bulb doesn't light up, try flipping it around to correct the polarity. Double-check that all light covers are securely fastened to prevent them from rattling or falling off. Wearing gloves can help keep the new bulbs clean. Enjoy your brighter interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.